You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Samsung has announced 3 more mobile products: the Galaxy A42 5G smartphone, the budget Galaxy Tab A7, and the Trio wireless charger. The company on Wednesday hosted a virtual Life Unstoppable event taking place at the same time as the virtual Life Electronics show in Berlin. Most of the product details, including pricing and availability, were not mentioned, so we expect to learn more over the coming months. Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. Samsung is positioning the Galaxy A42 5G as an affordable 5G-enabled smartphone in the Galaxy A series. Succeeding the Galaxy A41 that launched in May this year, the A42 5G will feature a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch. The phone will have a quad camera setup on the back, however, the company didn't reveal much about the exact hardware. Consequently, details about the SoC, battery size, charging speed, software, etc. also remain under the wraps for now. Samsung says the Galaxy A42 5G will be made official later this year, but it didn't share an exact timeline. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. The new Galaxy Tab A7 will take charge as the latest affordable offering in Samsung's tablet portfolio. The leaked renders of the tablet surfaced just yesterday, and looking at the official renders, they were right on the money. In terms of specification, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 offers fairly modest internals. On the front, you have a 10.4-inch TFT display with 2000 x 1200 resolution, an unspecified octa-core processor on the inside, 3 GB of RAM with either 32 GB or 64 GB flash storage, an 8MP and 5MP front cameras, and a 7040 mAh battery running the show. The tablet also packs 4 Dolby Atmos speakers, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB Type-C port. Details about the pricing and availability remain unknown for now. Galaxy Fit 2. The Galaxy Fit 2 is the brand new entry in Samsung's fitness tracker portfolio. It's a direct successor to the last year's Galaxy Fit and brings along many improvements, including a sleeker body, improved battery life, and an increased set of fitness features. The Galaxy Fit 2 sports a 1.1-inch color AMOLED display and has a virtual button at the bottom. The band has up to 70 different watch faces to choose from and features a larger 159 mAh battery, which lasts up to 15 days, according to Samsung. Just like other fitness trackers, the Galaxy Fit 2 can also measure your heart rate, your sleep quality, track footsteps, and count calories burned. Samsung hasn't yet revealed any details about the pricing and availability of the Galaxy Fit 2. Wireless charger trio. The wireless charger trio is a successor to the wireless charger duo, which launched last year. As you might have guessed from its name, the wireless charger trio can wirelessly charge up to 3 devices at once. The charger comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and will be available in black and white colors. Samsung didn't mention which charging speeds the charge will offer and whether it will be compatible with other Qi devices as well.